This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Make this the first home you see, with an open floor plan, walking into the grand entrance to the large living area, and updated interior. This home features a kitchen with upscale cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops. Private drive-in located in the back of the house and a plethora of community parking options are available. Just minutes away from town center, Pembroke Mall, shops, restaurants, and entertainment. Conveniently located near military bases, universities, and the Norfolk Outlets. Don't miss this stunning home, it will go fast. For more information, review the details below.